Assalamu alaikum grade 6. This is your lecture of English grammar. Today we are going to study lesson number 10, adjectives. You will open your books at page number 34. Students, as you know that we have already learnt 2 chapters about adjectives. This chapter is based on the revision of those 2 chapters that we have learned previously. So here are some definitions: adjectives, adjective phrases, and adjective clause. We have studied all these definitions. You need only to revise them. So you will revise this full page by yourself at homes. Because we have already learned them, it is only your revision. The task we are going to do is to solve the exercises. So let us move towards our exercises. Let us understand. Copy the following sentences in your notebook. Underline the adjective clause in each. Put a ring around the noun or the pronoun that it describes. So here we are going to underline the adjective clauses and underline the noun or pronoun. Number 1, I was able to find the shop which my friend had told me about. The highlighted sentence which my friend had told me about is adjective phrase, and the underlined word, the shop, is noun. Number 2, this is a land that the builder proposes to buy. The highlighted sentence that the builder proposes to buy is adjective phrase. The underlined word, the land, is noun. Number 3, Alice, who lives in Canada, is my pen friend. Who lives in Canada, the highlighted sentence is adjective phrase. Alice is noun. Number 4, this is a flower arrangement that won the first prize. The highlighted sentence that won the first prize is adjective phrase. The underlined word, the noun arrangement, the flower arrangement, is noun. Move towards next exercise. Practice. Copy the following sentences in your notebook. Insert who, which, or that in the blanks. Remember to put in commas. Number 1, Mr. Davidson, who is a maths teacher, is a renowned musician. Number 2, this is a story about a blind man who rescued a drowning child. Number 3, the knife that you gave me is very blunt. Number 4, the house that was sold for $1 billion last month belongs to the McGraw family. Exercise B. Copy the following sentences in your notebook. Complete them with adjective clauses of your own. Number 1, the detectives were looking out for the person who was a culprit. Number 2, I am looking for someone who is very talented. Number 3, I am searching for a house that has beautiful lawn. Number 4, this is a dog which ran after a cat. So we have completed these sentences by adding our own adjective clauses. Exercise C is copy the following sentences in your notebook. Complete them by inserting a main clause to the adjective clause. Number 1, I am looking for someone who buys old furniture. Number 2, I am going to visit a museum which is famous for its art and craft collection. Number 3, I like the fruit which grows in abundance here. Number 4, I call for a taxi that will take you to the museum. Come towards extended exercise. Copy this passage in your notebook. Complete it by filling the blanks with adjective clauses given below. Angie visited the village that was situated on the outskirts of her town. Nancy, a local village girl who volunteered to show her around, told her that the men and women were very hardworking and talented. Angie was amazed to see the beautiful handicrafts that were made by them. Students, you will solve all these exercises on your books and learn them. Allah Hafiz.